Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take you on a little walk down into the popular village of Combe Martin here in North Devon from this site that we're staying at. We're going to take you with us. Alright, unfortunately the first bit from the bungalow we're staying in this week, which is over there, I will do a review of the site, is up there. Yeah, what's the old handrail? Just at the top of the park here, and we can see down into the village and Little Hangman, which goes up to Great Hangman up there. It is a bit precarious. I've negotiated that little precarious path, which I'm guessing will be a lot better in the summer. It is a lot of rain over here at the moment, so it's a bit muddy. You drop down onto this lane here and this takes you down towards the village. You can certainly see how much water's coming down off the hills with how fast that river's going there. Anyway, we're heading in towards the church next. We come down past the church there, lovely old church. Would have a little poke about in there, but it is Sunday, so there's a service on at the moment. We're going to follow the line and river down, hopefully towards the beach. You just walk through Bowling Green Lane and you come out onto the main road, which is that way and that way, which is down towards the beach. So that's where we're going now. Place long since used by the look of it. It's quite a long high street, this. Might even be one of the longest there is. I did read something like that somewhere. Anyway, nice little walk so far. We are getting closer and closer to the beach. We're just coming up on a very well-known pub, the Pack of Cards, just behind me there. We've eaten there lots and lots of times, and it is very good. High Street goes into King Street, and that's what we're walking on now. We have walked past a few shops that look like they're shut down now, places of business that are shut down, so I guess it's just like everywhere else. High streets are just not coping, which is not good, even though this is a holiday destination, a resort if you like. Well, they're just down towards the seafront here in the harbour, and it is actually quite busy. It's a Sunday. We're the week before Easter, so not peak season in summer, but it does get really, really busy. Made it down onto the beach. This is where the River Humber comes out that we followed down. And if you can see behind me, that is Combe Martin beach. Very nice today. It's a nice sunny day. It's not particularly warm, I have to say, but it is nice and sunny and bright. Give you a view across the bay. And this is why people come, because it is beautiful. You get a nice sunny day. Imagine it in the summer. This beach is full of people. All the bars and restaurants just up there would have kicked in by then, and it is a very nice place to come and visit. We've come many times and it's nice to be back. Well, if you want rock pools to have a look in, there aren't many better places. Oh, turn the wind off. It's very chilly. As you see, a very popular place to come and have a walk along this little bit here. Big old rock pools. In the summer you'll see the kids just paddling about in here because it's a bit safer than the sea, and generally having a good time. We're enjoying it. Very windy today, and also it's only about 8 or 9 degrees, so it is pretty cold, although the sun does poke its head out from time to time, but we're enjoying it. Kim's marooned on her own little island. You can literally spend hours just walking along this beach here, looking in all these just thousands of rock pools, and all the rock formations there behind me are just stunning. It is a really nice area, and you can see why people come. There's seabirds nesting up there in the rocks. A glimpse of the rugged North Devon coastline. Plenty of walks all around here, and obviously you've got the southwest coast path that goes right the way around the whole of the southwest of the UK. Devon, Cornwall and Somerset, believe it or not. However, not much of this coastline is flat. You have to be prepared to either go uphill or down. Cave over there, I wonder how many illicit goods have been stashed in that cave over the years. I'll just give you some idea. Obviously this is Combe Martin here. Go around the bay. You've got Watermouth Harbour, Heel Bay, and beyond that way, is Ilfracombe. It's all pretty close to each other. You can walk it. Like I said before, it is quite hilly. They're all close drive. There's bus services between all of them, so you don't have to have your car all the time. It is a popular area, and you can see why. We're obviously visiting Combe Martin today because we're staying just above it, so I'm hoping you're enjoying this little wander so far. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up if you are enjoying it. And I'll tell you what would be nice, because it is a bit chilly, so if you bought us a coffee, I think you better buy us two, because you can't leave Kim out. Plenty of rock fall there, look. You have got to be a little bit aware, I should imagine. If I start hearing a rumbling, you will see me running on camera. You've enjoyed that nice little walk around Combe Martin there, through the village and up to the front here. Absolutely beautiful today, isn't it? Stunning. And if you do like to know a bit more about this area, why not check out one of these videos? Shit. Anyway, right, take two. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that little walk around Combe Martin there. Nice little peaceful walk, although it is a bit chilly at the moment. It's gone a bit cold. We've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know a bit more about other places in this part of North Devon, why not watch one of the videos coming up now, and we'll see you over there. Say goodbye, Kim.
Bye.
Goodbye, Kim.